Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. I'm really pleased to have you here. Please, if you are just watching this video, if you are just clicking this channel, please do well to subscribe and like, and also comment and tell me what you think about this video. So, today I will be making an intensive breakdown of analysis on some certain pairs. Firstly, I have DXY, GBPUSD, GBPJPY, EURJPY, and AUDJPY. So let's dive into it straight up. Yeah. So this is DXY. First, let's start from the weekly. Okay. Yeah, this is my weekly structure drawn. I drew up my weekly structure, and you can see the last leg here. The last leg here is just like an overall impulse. So I feel okay, it's still like making something like a pullback on a long term. It's still going to make something like a pullback, you know, to maybe around this area to continue a trend to the upside to tag this monthly high here. Let me show you guys the monthly high here. Yeah, around this area. So let's see how it goes. Let me go into the lower time frame. So yeah, here is the 4 hour. Uh, so now the the recent price action, that is what we are going to be focusing on. You can see after this ascending channel formed around this place, is trying to cover up for this correction it has made. So I likely see the price um return to this area. So yeah, so let's go to the 1 hour to see the recent price action. So this is the 1 hour after yesterday's NFP. We saw you know some kind of huge impulsive candle. You can see here. Then it now retraced back, to fill up. It retraced to fill up the huge impulse long candle. So we'll have to wait again. I would wait and see what would happen around this area. I'll wait and see what would happen around this area. I just want to see how the markets would react around this area. So that's it. Maybe we might get something like this, you know, but we don't know. So let us just be watchful of how it would react, or if it breaks this low and continue moving to the downside, that would be totally okay. We'll be seeing more of XSS USD buys if it should break this low and continue moving to the downside or continue selling. So let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Yeah, here is GBPUSD. Highlighted the eye and I drew the 1 2 3. You can see a 1 2 3 type structure. So perfect. And having something like an ascending type. It's also a middle section attached to it. It's let's see. Okay, this is actually one of the high probability trade that I'll be looking forward to this week. Can say after the NFP news, this impulsive candle that dropped was as a result of the NFP news, but then it's later retraced back to fill it up. And yeah, we would be looking for the reaction around this area. Might still be searching for a sell position to this area here. Yeah, you can see it's around an important area, but there has been a turning point around a double top area. You can see this ascending channel. Yeah, this ascending channel here for a drop to the downside, and the reason why I'm going to take this trade is it actually fits my criteria. You know, I would be taking this trade after the swap hour, but then if the market opens, we might see some kind of gap. Might see some kind of gap that would that will come from here, but it will still go again to tag this side. Then I'll take it again. So that's all for GBPUSD. I'm also looking for sell at this position. But if it breaks the structure, then we'll see that is going to be invalid. Then maybe we'll check for a confirmation to continue buying. But I don't think I see that happening. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let me check the 5 minutes. Yeah, the structure is looking very, very clean. It's looking really clean. Here is it. I'll allow you to tag me in the 20 page stop, you know, maybe to this area for 4%. And my second target will be this area for 6%. So that's all. GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Yeah, GBPJPY has been moving so well. But yesterday, its movement was kind of funny. I was not able to trade it on NFP. So, GBPJPY, I can see the approach to this area is kind of corrective. It is not moving really well. The approach to this important area, this area of turning points, is kind of corrective, and might likely see something that would happen. And yeah, we have to look into the recent price action for more clarity. And yeah, we saw something like an impulse here, and it's also making a pullback. So what I think is going to happen, or what I feel is after this impulse, the pullback is might just come and you know tag this other low here, and continue pushing to the upside. Then also, make we'll see how the market would react around this area also. So, but I'm looking forward to seeing a buy position on this trade as from next week. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing a buy position on this trade as from next week. And this is actually my forecast for this trade. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see a pullback to this area again for me to take a buy, and also going to wait to the approach to this area. I pray I see I pray I see something like a correction around this area for me to it will be like a confirmation for me to take a sell to the downside. So that's all for GBPJPY. And I think I still have EURJPY here. Yeah, EURJPY price action is really neat. You can see the the formation of an overall ascending channel having something like a middle section. You can say impulse, correction, continuation. So that's what we'll be looking for at the long term. That's what we'll be looking for in the long term. And let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour is actually telling us something that there might be a change of trend around this area. There might be a change of trend around this area. Yeah, the after I got to this area here, and it was kind of slow in a descending type manner. We saw a push. You can see this 4 hour retracement candle. You can see this 4 hour retracement candle. So we might still see something like a pullback for it to continue going to the upside. So let's go to the 1 hour. Here is the 1 hour. Here is the 1 hour. So as I said on GBPJPY, same thing might apply to this area. Also, we might see a pullback to this area, and you might see a pullback for it to form something like a double bottom for a buy to the upside. So my forecast, I would surely wait for a confirmation candle before I enter for a buy to the upside on this pair. So I'll be waiting for a confirmation. This will be my first target and my second target. So that's all for EURJPY. And we also have the last one, AUDJPY. AUDJPY. I mostly trade the JPY pairs. I don't really trade I don't really trade USD pairs. I mostly trade JPY pairs. I find them very good to trade. So this is AUDJPY, and the approach, the candle, is really really impulsive. You can see these two big bearish, very strong bearish candle approaching this area. So in the recent next week we'll be looking forward to how it would it will react to this area. We'll be looking forward to how it will react to this area, because at the daily we have not even seen any confirmation for the um, change of trend or anything you can say. But nevertheless, let's wait for how let's wait for confirmation. Let's wait for confirmation before we can enter the trade. I'm actually seeing yeah. So before I can enter this trade, I think I won't enter this trade on a reduced risk entry. I have to wait for a push, and I'll take the next flag, the next bull flag. So that will be my confirmation. I'll take a reduced risk entry for this trade. I'll take a reduced risk entry for this trade. So that's what I'll be taking. I'll take a reduced risk entry for this trade. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and like, and also comment and tell me what you think about this video.